Good day, Erudite! Welcome to NEXLevel Catch-Ups 2.0. I'm Athena, one of your lecturers for General Chemistry 1, and in today's video, we will be covering the 7th lesson we have for General Chemistry. So for this lesson, we will tackle the atomic mass. Hindi lang naman atomic mass yung magiging focal point ng lesson since marami ring connected na concepts dito, which is yung molecular mass and percent composition. But first things first, we have to review on what are atoms. So atoms are the fundamental building blocks of matter. And the major subatomic particles are protons, neutrons, and electrons. For protons, they have a charge of positive 1. For neutrons, they have a charge of 0 since they are neutral. And then for electrons, they have a charge of negative 1. And now, the location of the subatomic particles, ang protons and neutrons, magkasama sila sa nucleus. And then, ang electrons, they are located in the electron cloud or yung mga orbitals. Next, we have the nucleus. It is the dense central region of an atom, and it contains essentially all of the atom's mass. What defines the atom's mass is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. For the atomic number, or ang ginagamit na symbol is Z, na capital. Ito yung number of protons in the nucleus. So, each element has a different atomic number. And the atomic number identifies the element. Nakikita natin yung Z or yung atomic number as a subscript nung element. And then, ang superscript niya, ito naman yung atomic mass niya. Or yung symbol na ginagamit natin for atomic mass is capital letter A. Now, isotopes are the atoms of the same element that have different masses. Isotopes have different masses because they have different number of neutrons in the nucleus. Ang isotopes, hindi naman siya nagbabago ng kanyang chemical properties. Nagkakaiba lang sila ng masses due to the difference of number of neutrons. For example, yung tatlong isotopes ng hydrogen, we have the protium. So, isang proton lang siya. The deuterium, we have 1 proton plus 1 neutron. And for tritium, we have 1 proton and 2 neutrons. So again, ang mass number ng elements nade-determine siya by the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Next naman, we can say that the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons in a neutral atom. So if an atom doesn't have any charge or a charge of 0, same lang yung number of electrons and protons niya. For example, ang number of protons ni uranium ay 92. So, we can say that the number of electrons is 92 as well kasi wala siyang charge. Pero kapag nagkaroon siya ng negative charge or positive charge, dun nagkakaroon ng difference ang number of protons sa electrons. Let's say na may negative charge siya ng 1. It means na magiging 93 yung number of electrons niya. And then yung number of protons, hindi siya magbabago. Pero kapag naging positive 2 kunwari ang charge ni uranium, magiging 90 na lang yung number of electrons while ang number of protons is 92. Naging sakto yung difference niya kasi dalawa yung protons na excess, which gives it its positive 2 charge. Next naman ang mga ions. So they have a different number of electrons than the neutral atom. So ang negative ion or yung anion, they have additional electrons equal to their charge. While ang positive ions or cations, they have fewer electrons equal to their charge. For our next concept, we have the average atomic mass. So almost all elements occur as a mixture of isotopes. And remember that the percentage of each isotope is a constant, meaning hindi na siya magbabago. So for example, hydrogen is composed of 3 isotopes. So H1, H2, and H3. Ang atomic mass ni H1 is 1.007825. Pero ang gamitin na lang natin is yung whole number niya or yung rounded off version. Ang atomic mass ni H1 is 1. And ang natural abundance niya is 99.985%. While si H2, ang atomic mass niya is 2 dahil, ayun nga, nagdagdag tayo ng neutron sa kanyang nucleus. So, yung natural abundance niya is 0.015%. While si H3, yung atomic mass niya is 3. And then, yung natural abundance niya is lang yung nasa table. So, for average atomic mass, we have 2 examples. Number 1, chlorine is composed of two isotopes. So, isotope number 1 is Cl35, while isotope number 2 is Cl37. So, ang atomic mass ni Cl35 is 34.6989 and ang natural abundance niya is 75.77%. While si Cl37, ang atomic mass niya is 36.9659. Then, ang natural abundance niya is 24.23%. So, to get the average atomic mass, we will just multiply yung atomic mass with the natural abundance. So, 34.9689 times, convert lang natin into decimal. So, divide by 100 pareho. So, magiging 0.7577. So, kapag kinalculate natin siya, magiging 26.49593,553. So, hindi tayo mag-round off unless final answer na siya. So, for the second isotope, si Cl37, multiply lang natin si 36.9659 with 0.2423. So, we will get 8.95683,757. So, ngayon, pwede na natin siyang i-add. So, the sum will be 35.4527731. Then, round off lang natin siya into 6 significant figures. So, 35.4527, ilan na ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 0.8. So, here is the average atomic mass ng dalawang isotope ni chlorine. Next, for number 2, we have carbon. It consists of the following isotopes, C12, C13, and C14. So, same process lang sila. We will multiply 12 times 0.9889 and we will get 11.8668. Now for C13, we will multiply 13.00335 times 0.0111, 0.144337185. Now, hindi na natin kailangang i-multiply si C14 kasi trace amount lang siya, so 0. So, if i-multiply natin, magiging 0 pa rin siya. So, we can add na yung dalawang compound. So, our sum will be 12.01113719. So, let's round off to 6 significant figures. 12.0114. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ay, yan. Sobra pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The average atomic mass will be 12.0111. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you again in the next one.